In the Great Wall of China right here, we have left hand starting on F position, right hand also in F position, and our 5 on C. You'll notice we'll be moving around quite a bit. So you can see right here, we're moving from the bass to the middle to D, the bass to the middle, D, and then all the way to low C. So kind of follow along here to what I'm about to do. Left hand, right hand to the middle. Move up. Move our 5 to A flat position, right hand, right, crossover, cross over to A flat. Move down to the lowest, F and C. So I'll start with the left hand first. Let's bring it to F and C, and then to the middle. Move our 5 down to D, back to F, to the middle, hold that down. 5 over to D. Now to the low C and G, play it together. Hold the tie notes down and play it again. Hold the tie. Next page, 5 to C, to the middle C. Let's go back down to F and C, to the middle, and then D, to the middle. Now, 5 goes onto A flat. We're going to play 5, 4, 2, 1, all on black keys. Skip this one, go to this one. And again, go to the higher A flat here. The last line, here we go. F and C, and then to the middle, and then D and A. To end, we're going down to the lowest F and C. Now, switch over to the right hand, 5 on C. This is middle C. We're going to start onto the high C. Turn to D. Now my thumb is on middle C. Back to C. C and D together. C and D, higher, higher, lower, to the middle. Next page. Octave higher. Now my 5 moves up to high C. Turn to D. Now my thumb is on C. Move back to high C. Now I'll move down to the middle A flat. So here's left hand. Right hand plays the same thing. Left hand crosses over, right hand over. Now stay there. Cross over to A flat. Stay in the high C, right hand. Turn to D. And now let's play the thumb on C, 4 on F together.